Are you worried about the upcoming 2023 recession and how it may affect your financial stability? Look no further, because in this video I will be sharing with you the top 11 habits that will help you get rich during the 2023 recession. From investing in yourself to diversifying your income streams to living below your means and more. These habits will put you on the way to financial success. Don't let the recession bring you down. Start building these habits today and secure your financial future. Watch now to learn more. Welcome to Lux King, the perfect place to learn about self-development, entrepreneur mindset, and financial knowledge. Invest in yourself. One of the most crucial habits to adopt during a recession is investing in yourself. When the economy is struggling, it can be difficult to find a job or make ends meet. However, by investing in yourself, you will be positioning yourself for success when the economy picks back up. Investing in yourself can take many forms. One of the most obvious ways to invest in yourself is through education. This could be anything from taking a class or going back to school to get a higher degree. By gaining new skills and knowledge, you will be more valuable in the job market and more likely to find a job when the economy improves. Another way to invest in yourself is by developing new skills. This could be anything from learning how to edit videos or digital marketing. By developing new skills, you'll be opening yourself up to new opportunities and making yourself more marketable to potential employers. Investing in yourself also includes taking care of your physical and mental well-being. Eating healthy, regular exercise, and getting enough sleep are important to maintaining a healthy balance in life, which will make you more productive, focused, and resilient. Additionally, investing in yourself also includes personal development and self-improvement. Reading books, attending workshops, and seeking mentorship are ways to improve yourself. By investing in yourself, you'll be more confident, motivated, and capable of reaching your goals. Take calculated risks. By taking calculated risks, you will be more likely to find new opportunities and improve your financial situation. One of the most important aspects of taking calculated risks is doing your research. By doing your research, you will be better able to understand the risks and potential rewards of a particular opportunity. Another important aspect of taking calculated risks is setting a budget. This means determining how much money you can afford to invest in a particular opportunity and having a plan for how you will pay for it. By setting a budget, you will be able to take calculated risks without putting yourself in financial danger. It is also important to have a plan for the worst case scenario. This means having a plan in place in case the opportunity doesn't work out. By having a plan for the worst case scenario, you will be better prepared to handle any potential setbacks. Diversify your income stream. Diversifying your income stream is an essential habit to develop during a recession. By having multiple streams of income, you will be less vulnerable to job loss or market instabilities. One way to diversify your income stream is by starting a side hustle. This could be anything from freelancing to starting your own business. Having a side hustle can provide an additional source of income and can also serve as a safety net if you lose your main source of income. Another way to diversify your income streams is by investing in real estate or stocks. If you have the capital for it, real estate can provide a good stream of income by renting properties, and stocks can provide passive income through dividends. However, it is crucial to remember that investing in real estate or stocks also come with risks, and it requires a good understanding of the market. So it is important to do your due diligence before making any investments. You can also diversify your income streams by taking advantage of the sharing economy. Platforms like Airbnb, Uber, and Amazon allow individuals to earn money by renting out their property, driving, or selling goods. These platforms provide easy access to earning money on the side. Diversifying your income streams also includes passive income streams such as affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and online courses. These streams are a great way to earn money while you sleep, and they can grow over time. Avoid unnecessary debt. Avoiding unnecessary debt is an important habit to develop during a recession. You will be better able to weather the storm of a recession and maintain financial stability. One of the most important steps in avoiding unnecessary debt is by living within your means. This means not spending more money than you earn and avoiding lifestyle inflation. By living within your means, you will be able to keep your money and avoid taking on new debt. Another important aspect of avoiding unnecessary debt is by paying off existing debts. This includes paying off credit card debt, personal loans, and other forms of debt as quickly as possible. By paying off existing debt, you will be able to avoid interest payments and high interest credit card balances, which can add up and make it difficult to get out of debt. It is also important to avoid taking on new debt. This means not taking out new loans or credit card debt and not financing big ticket items such as cars or appliances unless it is absolutely necessary. By avoiding new debt, you will be able to maintain financial stability during a recession. Please like this video and consider subscribing to this channel so you can be updated when a new video is released. Live below your means. Living below your means is an important habit to develop during a recession. You will be better capable to weather the storm of a recession. Living below your means means spending less than you earn and avoiding unnecessary debt. Instead of buying a new car or taking a luxury vacation, consider buying a used car or taking a staycation. It also means avoiding lifestyle inflation, which is when your expenses increase as your income increases. By not increasing your expenses as your income increases, you will be able to save more money and build up your emergency fund. Another important aspect of living below your means is creating a budget and sticking to it. A budget is a financial plan that helps you track your income and expenses, and it lets you see where your money is going. By creating a budget and follow it, you will be able to identify areas where you can cut back on expenses and save more money. Networking. Networking and making connections is an important habit to develop during a recession. By networking and making connections, you will be more likely to hear about job openings and opportunities. Networking is all about building relationships with people in your industry or field. It can be done in person by attending network events, joining professional organizations, or connecting with people on LinkedIn. Networking also includes reaching out to people who have the job or career that you want. This can be a great way to learn about the job and industry. Another important aspect of networking is building a strong online presence. This includes having a professional online profile, having a personal website or blog, and being active on social media. By building a strong online presence, you will be more likely to be found by recruiters, potential employers, or clients. Networking also includes being a valuable member of your community. By volunteering, participating in local events, and being an engaged member of your community, you will be able to create relationships and connections that can be beneficial to your career. Be adaptable and flexible. By being adaptable and flexible, you will be better able to navigate the challenge of recession and find new opportunities. A benefit of being adaptable and flexible is being open to new opportunities. This means being open to new job possibilities, new business ventures, or new ways of earning money. By being open to new opportunities, you will be more likely to find something that works for you during a recession. Another important aspect of being adaptable and flexible is being willing to learn new skills. This can be done by taking classes or workshops, or by learning new skills on your own. By having a variety of job skills and knowledge, you will be able to have a side hustle or open a business. Being adaptable and flexible also includes being open to new ways of doing things. This means being open to new technologies, new business models, and new methods of working. By being open to new ways of doing things, you will be more likely to find new opportunities during a recession. Be prepared for surprising costs. By being prepared for surprising costs, you will be better able to weather the storm of a recession. Having an emergency fund is one of the most crucial steps in being ready for unexpected costs. An emergency fund is a saving account that you can use to cover unexpected expenses such as losing a job, medical bills, or car repairs. It is important to have at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses saved in an emergency account. Another important aspect of being prepared for unexpected expenses is having insurance. This includes health insurance, car insurance, and homeowners or renters insurance. Having insurance can provide financial protection in case of unexpected events. Being prepared for surprising costs also includes being aware of the resources available to you. This includes government program and community resources that can provide financial assistance in case of unexpected events. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. By not putting all your eggs in one basket, you'll be less vulnerable to job loss or market fluctuation. One of the most important aspects of not putting all your eggs in one basket is diversifying your investments. This means spreading your money across different types of investments, bonds, such as stocks, real estate, and other types of investments. By diversifying your investments, you will be less likely to lose everything if one investment goes bad. Another important aspect of not putting all your eggs in one basket is diversifying your income streams. This includes having multiple streams of income, such as a full-time job, a side side hustle, and passive income streams. By diversifying your income streams, you will be less vulnerable to job loss or market instabilities. Stay informed about the economy. By remaining informed about the economy, you will be better able to understand the current economic situation and make more informed decisions about your finances. You can keep informed about the economy by keeping an eye on the stock market. By tracking the performance of the stock market, you will be able to understand the overall health of the economy and make informed decisions about your investments. Another important aspect of staying informed about the economy is reading financial news. By reading financial news, you will be able to stay up to date on the latest economic developments and understand the potential impact on your finances. It is important to read news from reputable resources, such as financial newspapers and websites, government agencies and non-profit organizations. It is also important to learn about the economic indicators that can signal a recession. These indicators include things like unemployment rate, GDP growth rate, and consumer confidence. By understanding these indicators, you will be better able to predict when a recession may be coming and take steps to protect yourself financially. Learn from successful people. When you learn from successful people, you will be able to gain valuable insights and knowledge that can help you achieve financial success. One of the most important ways to learn from successful people is by watching YouTube videos, reading books and articles written by successful business leaders, entrepreneurs and investors. These videos, books and articles can provide valuable insights into how these successful people achieved their success and the strategies they used. Another important aspect of learning from successful people is attending seminars, workshops, and conferences. These events provide an opportunity to hear from successful people in person and ask questions. It is also a great way to network and make connections with other successful people. Another way to learn from successful people is by seeking mentorship. This can be done by reaching out to successful people in your industry or field and asking for guidance and advice. A mentor can provide valuable insights and advice and can also serve as a sounding board for your ideas and a source of motivation. In conclusion, the 2023 recession doesn't have to be a financial disaster for you. By developing these 11 habits, you will be in better position to not just survive, but get rich during the recession. Remember, tough times don't last, but tough people do. Invest in yourself, diversify your income streams, network and make connections. Be prepared for unexpected expenses, stay informed about the economy, learn from successful people, be adaptable and flexible. By following these habits, you'll be well on your way to financial success during the 2023 recession and beyond. Thank you for watching and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tips and strategies on building wealth during tough economic times. Always have a positive mindset and remember to be grateful. Leave a comment if you know more habits that can get you rich during 2023 recession. See you next time.